Want to turn your photos into something that looks elevated and straight off a trendy coffee table, but made by you? Hi Mixbook family! Today I'm going to show you how to create a magazine-style photo book, a fresh editorial way to showcase your photos. Imagine your favorite magazine, easy to flip through, beautifully laid out, something you'd leave on your coffee table. Now imagine that, but filled with your memories. This is such a fun way to highlight a family trip, a recent adventure, or even everyday moments you want to elevate. And the best part, I'm walking you through a real Mixbook workflow so you'll see exactly how to create your own from start to finish. Before heading into Mixbook Studio, you'll want to select the photos you plan to use. I've pre-selected mine for this demo, but feel free to pause here and gather your photos before continuing. Once you're ready, head to mixbook.com, hover over the Photobooks tab, and select Magazines. From here, you can choose a theme that fits your vibe or start from scratch with blank canvas. I'm choosing the Vintage Summer Vacation Coffee Table Book theme because I love the editorial feel of its full photo layouts. No matter what theme you decide to go with, I'd recommend keeping the inside layout simple, with either full page photos or grid layouts so it looks editorial. Once you've chosen your theme, click Start Designing. You'll now enter Mixbook Studio and be prompted to add photos. If you're planning to use photos you've uploaded previously, click Add from Uploads. If you're adding new ones, you can scan the QR code to upload from your phone or choose files directly from your computer. I already have mine saved on my computer, so I'm going to drag and drop them in. Now for the fun part, designing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the photos you just uploaded to your project. As you scroll through them, you can easily drag and drop photos directly onto the page. If you'd like to change the number of photos on the page, navigate to the Layouts tab. Here you can choose a different layout or adjust how many photos appear on the page. Since we're going for that magazine style look, I recommend keeping the inside pages fairly simple. Either full page photos or clean grid layouts tend to feel the most editorial. Another quick trick is selecting multiple photos from the Photos tab and dragging them onto a page. As you can see, Mixbook will automatically and intuitively arrange the photos into a layout for you. In Mixbook Studio, you have full creative control. You can rearrange photos, swap layouts, resize images, anything you need to make it feel yours. Now that the inside is done, we'll move on to the cover. The cover is what really makes this feel like a magazine. If you need inspiration, think about your favorite publications. Magazine covers usually feature one strong focal image, a portrait, a landscape, or a detailed moment that feels special. For text, go bold. I recommend using a large font size, somewhere between 60 to 80 points, in either black or white for that clean editorial look. Overall, keep it simple with one strong image paired with bold typography. That's the secret to achieving the true magazine look. Once you're happy with your design, you're ready to order. Click the white cart button in the top right corner of Mixbook Studio. Now this step is key to achieving that true magazine look, so stick with me. When you reach the checkout page, you'll notice hardcover is selected by default. Make sure you switch that to softcover. Softcover is what gives it that flexible magazine style feel. Lightweight, easy to flip through, and perfect for coffee tables. There's no need to change the book size, paper, or cover finish as those are pre-selected for you. Our magazine photo books are available in 8.5 by 11 with a glossy softcover and everyday semi-gloss pages to match that look and feel. Once that's selected, click Add to Cart and complete checkout to place your order. And just like that, your magazine is ready to print and enjoy. Thanks so much for following along. If you create your own magazine, we'd love to see it. Tag us or drop any questions in the comments below. Happy creating!